This is a warning from the dead. Leave Collective the fuck alone, because Collective has nothing but spiritual gangsters and spiritual warriors on the other side that have been resurrected. This Collective spirit team, like, literally got dug out the fucking grave. This Collective spirit team got resurrected out the dirt itself. I'm picking up that this Collective's ancestors is literally planning on killing whoever the fuck gets in Collective's way again.